Hello guys, I'm back with another amazing video and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love today's video. And at the end of the video, I'm going to share an amazing hack with you to help you attract new luck into your life. So please make sure you watch this video till the end. And before I get started with today's session, let me ask you, did you complete your task which I gave you yesterday? I hope that you are done preparing your goal card, your goal statement, your goal sheet, and you already feel excited and pumped up. So if you by chance haven't watched that video and completed the task, please make sure you do it right now and then come for this video. Okay, and those of you who have done, let's get started. You know guys, sometimes it happens ki we want to study, we sit, we try to study, but then we feel distracted. Okay, मन ही नहीं लगता है पढ़ाई में, बहुत भारी भारी सा फील होता है. ऐसा क्यों? Because of your environment. Okay, so today I want you to create an environment for yourself which pulls you to study. I want you to declutter your study space. Okay, if it is a room, if it is a desk, whatever it is, I want you to remove all the energy drainers. There is no chargers, no random papers, no random books, unrelated books. Remove all that thing which you do not require, or something which is not aligned with your books, not aligned with your study goal or whatever goal that you are pursuing. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is prepare an environment, prepare a space which pulls you to study. Okay, and step number one is, first of all, decluttering your space, for a simple reason that your mind is a reflection of your outside environment. For example, if my outside environment is cluttered, it's full of unrelated things, negative things, then naturally it will have an impression on my mind and my mind will be uncluttered too, cluttered too. It will have a lot of unrelated thoughts, it will feel heavy, it will have a lot of distractions. So make sure you clean your space today, declutter your space, and I guarantee you, I promise you, naturally by doing this activity, you will feel much lighter. Your mind will feel much refreshed. You don't believe me? Do it, okay? And you will see the change in your energy within yourself, okay? Iske do steps hai. First of all, declutter the step. Step number two is you want to put some things over there which inspires you, which motivates you to study, which pulls you towards your study. So for that, what you can do is you can put some motivational quotes on your study wall, the wall which you see most of the time when you are studying. We call it as a study wall. So you can put some good inspiring motivational quotes on your study wall. You can even put your goal statement on your study wall, and you can also put the images of your dream college, or let's say if there is somebody who you look up to, who you want to be like, then you can put the image of that person as well. So there you will be able to connect with their energy and they will kind of pull you towards your study. They will inspire you, motivate you to take action. Okay, so these two steps you have to complete to create a study environment which pulls you and not distract you. One more thing, do not just do it one time. From today onwards, make it a ritual to keep your study space organized. It has a profound impact, especially for students, because I've seen कि बहुत से students में habit होती है कि they like to be surrounded with books all the time. Okay, even on their bed they will have books, and even when they're going to night they just sleep on the books. Okay, and now some of you may be thinking, madam आपको ये सब कैसे पता है? The obvious reason that madam भी कभी student थी. Okay, so I've been there, I've done all of that, and I know how it affects your studies, your energy in a very negative way. So even if you have a pile of clothes and you do not have time to fold it every single day, then maybe you can get a drawer assigned, a wardrobe assigned, where you can just dump it. Even in a box you can keep it, and whenever you have time you can fold it nicely. Even for your books, you do not have time to keep it back to the places it is, at least have a habit of stacking it at one place and then shifting aside when you're going to bed. Okay, so be very mindful of your study space. From today onwards you have to maintain it, and that is also one of the habits which I want you to have in this journey. Okay, now coming to the thing that I promised you to help you bring the new luck in your life. So let me share with you your old clothes. They are carrying your old luck. Okay, so especially if you're a student who have been studying for so many years or for the past couple of years and could not get the desired result, feeling very low, guess what, your old clothes, it's still carrying that energy of failure. but we are here to change our energy, right? We are here to create a new life for ourselves. So it's very important that you change your clothes, you replace your clothes and get new clothes. And before that, I want you to analyze, okay, what kind of clothes do you wear every single day? How are you showing up? Is it like faded ones? Do they have holes in it? Then guess what? This is the kind of energy that you are carrying with yourself, and you cannot afford to do that. So if you haven't bought any new clothes in some time, in few months or years, then today is the day you do it. Okay, and it will not be a very pricey affair. You go to online, and even if you go to some shops, you can get a really good t-shirts for like 200 or 300 rupees. If you do not have too much of budget, I would suggest just get two new t-shirts for yourself. Okay, colors that you like, maybe it has some good message written on it, something which makes you feel happy, something which makes you look good. Okay, because do you remember that dialogue from Jab We Met? Okay, so Varshad Kapoor says कि तू अच्छी अच्छी दिखेगी तो तेरे साथ अच्छा अच्छा होगा. So that's what I'm telling you. If you look good things will happen with you. I'm not asking कि अपने पुराने कपड़े उठा करके फेंक दो, ऐसा मत करना please. Okay, I don't want your mommies to come and call me and blame me for that. But at least you can keep it aside for some time in your life and get this couple of or 2-3 new t-shirts for yourself. Start wearing them, and even people who have been seeing you for a while in your old torn clothes, they will be happy to see you and have your new look. Okay, so I'm also sharing the resources with you. In the link below, you will find some motivational quotes that you can put up on the wall so that you do not have to waste your time hunting for good motivational quotes. Secondly, I am also going to handpick some of the t-shirts for you, both for girls and boys. You can order for your sizes, and all this thing I'm doing just to help you, because I know the moment we start shopping, we can take hours and days and months to select good clothes for us. I don't want you to waste your time. So you can also delegate this task to your mothers, to your parents, to your sibling, or to your good friends to shortlist some of the good t-shirts for you for your favorite colors, and then you can just go and shortlist and order one of them. And please make sure, do not start shopping from your own mobile phone. Okay, and do not install any shopping applications. I know how much time it takes to buy the clothes. And I have this experience the moment I started scrolling through some dresses. पूरा दिन सिर्फ उसी के notifications आते थे, and it used to distract me a lot, and that is something which we cannot resist. So अपने laptop पे, अपने mobile phone पे तो बिल्कुल shop मत करना. Okay, shop it only from your parents or your siblings' mobile phone. Okay, and let me know once you are done this 2 tasks, and type done in the chat box. But type done करने से क्या होगा कि मुझे सिर्फ पता लगेगा that you are done with the task, but I will not be able to see your task. So let's do something even more interesting. How about you sharing the photos of your task and assignment on the Instagram in your story, and then tag me. Okay, and if I like the way you have completed your task, then we are also going to feature you on my Instagram story and appreciate you and give you a good shout out for taking action. So make sure you do not just complete the task, but also share it on your Instagram. Tag me. My handle is Study with Ayushi. I'm also putting it in the description below. And make sure you tag me so that I can see how well you are performing your task. And don't forget to get that new t-shirt for yourself. If you don't have time today, keep it for the coming Sunday, keep it for the coming day that you are available. And make sure you dress yourself in the new t-shirt, and don't forget to share it with me. Okay, and with this, I'll take your kind leave. I will see you tomorrow with another powerful action. So be ready, and until we meet next time, take really good care of yourself, drink lot of water, eat good food, and think only good thoughts. And no matter what, keep smiling. Your smile is the most beautiful curve on the planet. It's the most precious gift from the God. Do not let anyone take it away from you, fade it for you. Everyone, let's be happy because of the world. Let's be happy despite of the world. Don't worry about your studies. Leave that to me. I'm your smart study coach, Ayushi Garg. See you tomorrow.